Hello my little rising rockets, my name is Binal Patel. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn the sound of vowel letter O and I when they are together in a word. When vowel O and vowel I is together, it makes the sound oi, as in oi, boy, boil. Oi, soy, soil. Oi, oil. Oi, foy, foil. Oi, koi, coin. Oi, hoi, hoist, hoist. Oi, joy, joist, joist. Oi, joy, joint, joint, joints. Oi, poi, point, point. Oi, toy, toil, toilet, toilet. Wonderful. Now it's your turn to read by yourself. Just read according to the highlighters. Spoil, moist, avoid, coil, toil. Wonderful. I hope you have learned from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.